Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to making stir fry prawns with spicy and sweet chili sambal, or in Balinese we call it Udang Lalah Manis. All of our family loves prawns and we often ask our daddy to make this when we were little. It's just so yummy and as always perfect to serve with rice. All the ingredient I'm going to use later. Here I have 300 grams of prawns. I clean it already and I keep the shell and the head. If you would like to remove the shell and the head, it's absolutely fine. And here I have 2 cherry tomatoes. You also can use normal tomatoes. And I have 5 garlics, 1 lime fruit, 1 kaffir lime fruit, 2 kaffir lime leaf, 5 Bali hot pepper, 4 big red chili, I removed the seed earlier, half of onions, around 50 grams. And later also I add small green chili. I have 10 pieces here, it's an optional, and the big red chili is for garnish. I also use fresh water, 500 ml, vegetable oil, white peppercorn, salt, oyster sauce, palm sugar. So let's start. First, I'm going to marinate the prawns. Add a pinch of salt, white peppercorn, and a squeeze of lime juice. Mix it well. We marinate this for 15 to 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the chili sambal. So first, I'm going to boil the water. While I'm waiting the water reach the boiling point, I'm going to cut the chili and garlics. The water is boiling, so let's add the garlics and chilies. Cook it for 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes and it's cooked. Now we're going to blend it. Add the tomatoes, chili and garlics, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and blend it until smooth. Let's put it aside. So now let's fry the sambal. Turn on the heat medium to low. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, I'm going to slice the onion. The oil is ready. Let's add the onion. Green chili. Cook until slightly soft. So now let's add the chili sambal. Add the 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir it. And kaffir lime leaves. Next is the prawns. Cook until all the prawn is cooked. My mouth's so watering, smells so nice. I already imagine about the steamed rice now, mixed with these prawns. Now it's cooked, so let's turn off the cooker and add the kaffir lime fruit juice. I take it out the seed first, because it's quite bitter. Squeeze. Give a little stir, and now we're ready to plate it. So let's cut the big red chili for garnish. saffir lime fruit. Here we are, Udang Lalah Manis. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.